Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you some of my 1/64 diecast trucks. First truck I have is this Hot Wheels 1949 or 1950 custom Chevy. It's got no bumpers, no front bumper, no rear bumper, and this Spectre Flame paint. It's not really my favorite kind of color scheme, but I do like this truck a lot. Perhaps I'll do some detailing here in the headlights, but I'll just leave it the way it is. This is from a Hot Wheels Classics collection. This one is a 1950s Studebaker. It's by M2. It's a very nice looking truck. I got this truck for a very good price since one of the tail lights is missing. Tried to make another one since I restore and customize diecast cars. The rest of the truck is in perfect condition. So pristine and so mint that it's a real nice truck to have. As usual, as an M2, it features opening doors. A little hard to open, but very nice opening doors, and a very nicely detailed interior, and opening hood. Let's open it. There we go. See the engine. Seems to be a straight 6. I like this grill. It's a very nice Studebaker truck. These two ones are Greenlight. This is a long bed D100 Dodge. I think it's a 67. It's beautiful. Trims, emblems, tail lights and headlights. The casting itself is excellent. Like those wheels and tires. And metal chassis. Now let's see the engine. It's got the opening hood as well. V8. Could be a 318. Not quite sure of it. And this one, Greenlight as well. But this is a short bed step side 1967 Dodge D100. It's flat black. It's from a Black Bandit collection. It's got this orange V8. Could be a 340. Let's see. Dodge. Very nice badge. Black wheels, no hubcaps, steel wheels, look nice. Dodge cast in the tailgate, very tiny tail lights, very nice lines, very nice looking truck. Wooden floor and the bed. And looks terrific. The only issue is a black interior. It's quite hard to show. It's doing a very nice truck. So, this is it for now. Just please don't forget to leave a like. Let me know what you think about this video in your comments below. And just click on the bell for new videos. I'm going to show you some more interesting things as days go by. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.